Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, May 7th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar yen, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full top-down analysis. So in the dollar yen, we may or may not have the top of a wave 5 in right here. I do not really see any evidence that the wave 5 is over yet, especially as we go down to a little bit of a shorter time frame, which we'll do right now, down to the weekly. On the weekly time frame, to me, it still kind of looks like a 1, 2, 3, and it kind of looks like this should be a wave forward, and we should get one more push up for a wave 5. So for me, I do not see a breaker structure to the downside. I definitely do not see a lower high. We do have a Fibonacci bounce, and we do have an engulfing move down, so we obviously have the end of something here. But I think it's more likely a wave 4 and potentially go up again for a wave 5. But we'll have to keep an eye on it because you never know. The Bank of Japan personally could intervene again. So heading down to the daily time frame, I think this is a trend, probably a little easier to see on the 4 hour, but I think it's either a wave A or possibly a wave 1. I think now we're probably in a crescent to that downtrend like a wave B. Then I think we're likely to go down for a wave C. I personally think it's going to be an ABC of wave 4, but it could possibly stretch out into a 1, 2, 3 and just keep on going down. We possibly could have the top right here. So anyways, heading down to the 4 hour time frame, because I like to take it one step at a time, I think it's easier to see on this time frame that there definitely is 5 waves down, A or 1. I think that we're likely now in A of B or an A of 2, and I think this is likely to go up and make either an ABC of 2 or an ABC of B. Probably going to go at least to the 50% because a wave B or wave 2 should take out the high of the previous wave 4. So I would expect either the 50 or the 61.8 before we get another push down for either a wave C or a wave 3. So taking it down to the 1 hour time frame, so far it's just higher highs, higher lows. So most likely this is still a wave A of that wave B. Eventually it's probably going to move down and break a little bit of structure, but most likely that's going to be a crescent to this move up, wave B. Then I would expect, like I said, for it to at least go up and take out this high right here, which most likely would be either a wave C going up to the 50 to 61.8, or I think either way it's going to be an ABC. It's just the question is whether it's an ABC of B or whether it's an ABC of 2. If we come up to a Fibonacci level, give a nice breaker structure to the downside, then most likely that will be the end of a crescent and the continuation of the downtrend. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my membership program that gives you access to the daily live trading sessions. And it gives you access to all my swing trade setups that I share with the group at the time of entry by signing up at my website, fxpipcollector.com. As always, thank you and happy trading.